The question is, in the bracket, 42 divided by 7 plus 8. Multiply in the bracket 810 minus 6, bracket closed, according to the same, put it in. P for parenthesis, P for exponential, M for multiplication, T for division, P for addition, S for subtraction. According to the rule. In this, we apply from left to right. So first solve the parentheses. Now, here is the solution. According to priority, first we will solve multiplication and division, then addition. Here, 42 divided by 7 plus 8, bracket close, multiplied by 10 minus 6. Now, let's solve it. 42 divided by 7 is 6 times. Now, 6 plus 8 multiplied by 10 minus 6. Now, let's solve the bracket. 6 plus 8 will become this. 14. Multiply by 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 will be 4. Now let's solve further. 14 times 4 equals 56. This is the right answer.